Hi, I'm Scotty. Welcome to my channel, Scotty's Clock World. Thanks for dropping by. Alright, let's have a look and see what we've got here in the way of range of movements and motion. I'll turn the first wheel. You can see everything's running pretty smoothly there. Now we're going to look at the individual bushings and see what we're up against. We'll start off by looking at that pivot bushing combination there. Yeah, that is in actual fact a little bit sloppy. That one there, I'll do a close-up of that at the moment. We look at the warning wheel. That one there. Yeah, a bit suspicious. I have a feeling we might be redoing that. And now the fly, which is that one there. Yep, they look like they're all going to be replaced. They will have to be replaced. Alright, maintenance cam, that one. I'll lift it up and down. Not too bad, but warning wheel. You can see that one flapping around the breeze. And the fly. Yeah, nice. Alright, well, that will account for them, I suppose, spinning nice and freely. They're all pretty damn loose. Cool, look at the end play on that. You can get it straight up and you can see it. Look at the end play on that. Alright. And huge amount of end play on the fly too, though that nut there is not quite tight enough. As in that needs to be tighter once movement is finished. I'll tighten that down a bit. We'll check the end play again, and I reckon a lot of that would have disappeared. Yep, a bit of it and that one. Alright, now before we go any further, I purchased a new tool the other day because we haven't always got a spanner that fits exactly on the size of the nut that we want. So I picked up this 7-piece tool, and it's got 6 different sized socket, T-handle, metric, socket, nut driver set. Yes, well, that's all very impressive. Let's just have a look and see. I'll cut the bottom of this and we can have a look and see what we've got in the way of sizes to make it easier to add or subtract nuts from clock pillars. Now, nope, too small. Alright, try the next one. Not quite. The next one, what does that say? 8. CRB chrome vanadium. Well, isn't that excellent? 8's too big and 6 is too small. So that was an excellent purchase. That worked out really well. There's no number 7 in it. Only even numbers, no odd numbers. $25, but anyway, I hope they will fit some other nuts that I've got around the place. So we'll wait and see. Alright, I'll clean that mess up later and put it together. But it certainly didn't assist us in this job. So I'll have to tighten that one at the top. And I don't think my old set will have one to fit. I don't think. I'll have a look for the largest one. No, not going to fit. Close. Close, but not quite. That's the largest size. Alright, well we've done well on those couple of sets. Neither of them fit. Not to worry. I'll pull this down a little bit more. Have another look and see. Check some end play. Yep, nowhere near as much now, it's tightened. But unfortunately, those bushings are going to have to be replaced. And just looking at these ones here, slightly off center, each one of those. So I would say we'll be up for replacing those. Though they're new brass ones. Those ones. And the rest are old, really old ones. All right, let's try the other side and verify my ideas that we're going to have to rebush the entire plate. Right, I'll take the plates apart and we'll investigate the going side train and see what we've got there in relation to bushings. And I'll probably do most of the bushing offline because it takes time, and I think you've seen it all in the last couple of bushing videos I did, how to replace a bushing with a reamer, how to use a bushing machine. I did a couple on that, and then how to use a cutting broach to do some rebushing. Right, take these guys off. I'll check the other side, and then I'm quite sure that we're going to have a serious amount of bushings. The ones on the back are all right. It's the guys on the front that are the problem. All right, plates apart. And that one, there we go, popped off. Now, we'll check the going side train. Right, I'll put the going side train wheels in. Turn the movement round. Put the fast slow adjustment rod goes into that hole there. Align the pillars. One there, and did that. Chase up the couple of posts in here that we had problem with before, the cut bell post, get it to sit, and that post there should drop in, but it's not. Alright, well, one there has to come over further. Now that and our cut bell post going there. Right, put a nut on that pillar to hold it for a moment. Give us a little bit of extra working space here. And align that post. Nut to hold it. A little bit too tight. I've got to bring that cup bell up and over to there. That's got him right. Now I can tighten it up a bit. So not everything's going to drop out on us. But not too tight. We don't want to go snapping any pivots. Right. Slowly turn the movement on its side so we can see what we're doing. And first wheel goes there, click, drop into place. Second wheel, I'll bring the escape wheel over, it's pressing on that too much. Alright, second wheel, where's our third wheel inside? First wheel, second wheel, and that post should be sitting there. That'll make it a bit easier, I would think. Okay. Escape wheel up a tiny bit, goes there. Third wheel goes there, and that post is not wanting to align exactly. That looks a bit better. Right, we'll start off. First wheel, yep. Second wheel, careful of the pivot. There we go, pushing her in. Third wheel, sliding up. Ooh, yep. And the fourth wheel, the escape wheel, normally has longer pivots on it. You've usually got to put that in before you can get the other ones finally aligned. Oh, missed it. Beast of a thing. All right, 1, 2, 3, and we'll push open the place slightly with our fingers and move the escape wheel down. That's bushing is not flush on the inside. That's why the escape wheel's finding it hard to drop its pivot in. Keeps getting caught on the damn thing. Okay, that one. And probably should have run a very fine file over that to take that little lip off it before I started trying to put all these guys in. But it's just there. And no, still it's locked somewhere. Alright. Check that out. That's right. Oh, yep. Third wheel's dropped out. That's why it's not spinning. Third wheel back in again. Everything fell into place then. Put a nut on that post. It's a shame I haven't got the correct size spanner. It would make it a damn sight easier. And there's not many small sets of spanners available these days. Alright, let's see what we got. Have we got any movement there or not? At this point in time. Alright, that's got him. I'll spin the first wheel. We can see what action we've got. Everything's spinning okay. So all the wheels are in the right orientation. We won't worry about that putting an actually we'll put a nut on that because that'll make it a little bit more accurate when we're looking for end play. I must see if I can find another small set of spanners. This has come in very handy, and you're forever modifying them to fit different size worn out nuts, so they never actually fit exactly the way they're supposed to. Alright, let's have a look and see. Now, that and that and that and that are new bushing, so I assume that they're going to be alright. But we'll look at the first wheel first, that one there. Well, yep, he needs to be changed.